It's like flying too many pounds. It's good, I know she was just soft. She hit me up, that shit dissolved.
Hello, hello. Okay, we're in the fucking Corolla right now. We're on our way to go to this event.
Get everyone in it. We've got
some beautiful fucking techno.
Yeah,
it's gonna be a good night.
Underground shit.
And we'll see where the night goes from there, to be honest.
Oh, we're both kind of farms, eh? And Ron.
Just shut up.
Oi, look. Oi. On the train.
We've confirmed it. He's gonna be our new cameraman. So let's see how good his filming is tonight. VB long neck.
Metro worker on the back
Why
the jungle, bro? Why is the jungle? Why the...
Have a good one, bro.
See you, bro. Machine Hall, Hypno Bros. Bit of fucking Hypno Techno.
It's gonna be fucking hectic.
Hypno Techno. Got a good ring to it. Hurry up, Josh. I need a piss. Very badly. Open the fucking door now. I didn't say it.
Hold on, mate. Where'd you just walk out of? Get him up. Oi, let's go festy. Neo Vision shirt, eh? Oi, Neo Vision shirt at the festy.
I lost my Neo Vision shirt.
Oh, we're so disappointed.
Vouch.
Yeah, we don't not tap on.
Fuck oath. Good citizens, bruz. 2 drinks? Fucking hell, mate. Fucking hell, mate. Fuck.
Look how cool that guy
Show
is.
us. Show us.
Look how...
Who? Lost in the what?
What?
The skyscrapers causing vertigo. The countdown begins in Tokyo. 27 days alone means 20 million ways to cope with that.
We made it to the city. It's fucking cold. I should have worn a jumper. But oh well.
Look at this.
What's that? What is that? What is that?
Lost in the what? Lost in the who?
Cool her.
That shit was cracker.
That was cool. Venue was, people were,
Overage.
Overage.
Oh,
Underrated
No,
overage.
the people weren't bad. It was just that they were all like fucking 50.
Yeah.
So I was just like,
Fucking awesome techno though.
yeah, it's fucking mad.
Awesome techno.
Really good sound quality.
Live for that shit.
Hey, bro. Recording, mate.
Recording.
Yeah, bro. Fucking oath. How we going, Josh?
It was good until we found out that we were going to... No, I had no idea. We were at a sick venue and then we found out we were going to...
Sorry. Your choice.
I'd rather lie than lose. She wanna front lash makeup. Ask her pound time, say something. House in the hills, we gon' lay up. Baby, you can stay, we can play fun. She'll do my shit like anything what I can get done. $100 ration bando. $100 ration bando.
Wow.
Dogs.
Gotta be stealth. Okay, we fucking got the goods in the bag. Don't tell anyone. Fresh hoodie. It's home time.
Oi, bedtime Guinness. Bedtime Guinness.
One more Guinness.
No.
Ah, fuck. Good secured. Don't tell anyone. Happened, Mr. Drifter.
He's rear-ended
In the
him.
way.
Wait,
in the
dude.
way.
He's rear-ended him. He's rear-ended the bike.
On the
bike
fucking
fallen
bike.
off, and then they've gotten a fucking fight. Fuck, this is content, guys.
It's just gone from nothing to everything.
Cops called.
Cops called on the fucking Digicam vlog. Fucking good trip, just fucking
Old crowd and not enough of a ground.
If it was bigger, I'd be fucking sick.
Central Station. Vouch clips. It's fucking sidebar o'clock, boys. Fuck off.
Metro in 11 minutes.
Yeah, so how does that say to
Sydney.
Turn. Hey.
This Lost Paradise though.
To keep it in, but that's fine.
I do.
I just embarrassed him so much. I brought my little one over for you, so you can make me a little crop top.
I'll do it tonight when I get home.
No, we are doing more important things.
Yeah, boy.
How far away is the farm?
3 hours? Fuck!
You've had like 2 beers, haven't you?
That's true. I've had no beers.
What have you had?
I had 1 Guinness and...
For breeze, what did you have?
VB long neck.
I don't know. Josh a year ago would not have done this. This is fucking gloved. No. God. 8 minutes.
Why am I wearing it like that? They're just so...
What lesbians wear? They wear the thingy-majiggies, I think. That's like a lesbian.
Call me a lesbian.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm getting fucking cracker clips right now. Oh, dude.
Cracker.
Dude, we're on 1 battery.
I'm sorting clips.
Oh, DJ
Guys,
by the
I'm a
way.
DJ.
DJ by the way.
No, he's not.
DJ, I need
Rowan.
to think of one.
Rawcuts.
Buffalo.
Hammer. Fuck no.
Not that bad.
Let
What do you want it to be? Princess Fairies.
Basin. Bassish.
Oh, what?
Hold the phone still.
What should we pick, guys?
Let's do the quietness challenge.
Raw
Let's do the sleeping light.
Oh, pulse. Bro. Oh, pulse.
DJ Babyface. I mean, that's the fucking dumbest name ever.
DJ.
No, dude, wait, hang on. If you actually think about it, like, DJ Babyface.
Bro,
so
not
pretty.
layered, it's layered. It is a layered name.
Rockmish. Boy, that's tough.
Rockmish.
Rocky.
What the fuck?
Walk dog.
Oh, you took the glass?
I said I was.
MC.
Like, you know what? Back at Cherrybrook, going home. Cracker night.